If you are currently not using a humidifier, please remove the hose from your PAP machine. Then remove the short length of black tubing from the inside of the injection fitting by pulling it straight off, and then attach the fitting directly to your PAP machine. Reconnect your CPAP hose to the end of the injection fitting. If you regularly use your CPAP without the reservoir attached, please contact SoClean to receive a modified injection fitting PN1116 at no charge. Contact us. Visit www.soclean.com. Call 1-866-501-3705. Email support@soclean.com.